In a bustling metropolis where skyscrapers reached for the clouds and the hum of ambition filled the air, there was a young marketing professional named Mia. The sun cast a golden hue over the glass buildings as she walked into her office, filled with a mix of anxiety and excitement. Mia had always been a dreamer, but as she navigated the world of B2B marketing, she felt the weight of expectations pressing down on her. LinkedIn was her arena, and she was determined to make her mark. Mia had heard whispers of LinkedIn's power. It was a realm where stories of success were woven through connections, and opportunities sprouted like the vibrant green of spring. But to thrive, she knew she needed to optimize her profile, a digital reflection of herself, polished and ready to dazzle. Each morning, she would sit at her desk, coffee in hand, piecing together the elements of her professional identity. She chose a warm, welcoming profile picture, crafted a compelling headline that spoke of her passion for digital marketing, and poured her heart into a summary that reflected her journey. As she clicked save on her profile, a wave of confidence washed over her. But the real challenge lay ahead: content marketing. Mia dove into the world of posts, articles, and infographics, crafting messages that resonated with her audience. She found herself in a dance with words, her fingers tapping rhythmically on the keyboard as she poured insights into the digital ether. Each post was a chance to showcase her knowledge, to engage and to inspire. However, the path wasn't without obstacles. The competitive landscape loomed large, like storm clouds threatening to overshadow her efforts. Mia watched as her posts sometimes fell into silence, the engagement numbers dwindling like autumn leaves. Doubt crept in, whispering that perhaps she was not cut out for this. Yet she remembered the lessons of resilience from her mentor, a seasoned marketer who had taught her that the heart of LinkedIn was not just in the numbers, but in the relationships forged. With renewed determination, Mia shifted her focus. She began to reach out to industry professionals, sending personalized connection requests and thoughtfully engaging with their posts. She joined groups, immersing herself in discussions that sparked her creativity and opened her mind to new ideas. Slowly, she began to build a network, each connection a thread in the tapestry of her career. Amidst this journey, Mia discovered the power of LinkedIn ads. With a small budget in hand, she crafted her first sponsored content campaign, targeting industry leaders and decision-makers. The thrill of seeing her message appear in feeds made her heart race, and soon, leads began to pour in. Each notification was a reminder that her hard work was paying off, that she was no longer just a dreamer, but a doer. Yet success brought its own challenges. Tracking performance metrics and analyzing engagement rates became her new vocabulary. Mia immersed herself in the numbers, learning to read the analytics like a map guiding her to treasure. She realized that each profile view and click was a beacon of potential, leading her toward growth and visibility. As the seasons changed, so did Mia. She became a thought leader, sharing her insights and participating in live discussions, her voice resonating through the digital landscape. The once overwhelming world of LinkedIn transformed into a canvas where she painted her professional narrative, each stroke representing her journey, her challenges, and her triumphs. In the end, Mia stood at the forefront of her industry, confident and empowered. The lessons she learned on LinkedIn were not just about marketing. They were about building connections, embracing authenticity, and fostering relationships. She realized that in a crowded professional network, it was her unique story that set her apart. As she prepared to share her advanced strategies with others, she smiled, knowing that her journey had just begun. In the bustling heart of New York City, where skyscrapers scraped the sky and the scent of innovation lingered in the air, a young marketing strategist named Maya found herself at a crossroads. With a recently polished LinkedIn profile that sparkled like a freshly minted coin, she was filled with determination to conquer the digital marketing landscape. But the challenge ahead was daunting. Simply having a profile wasn't enough. She needed to stand out in a sea of professionals, each vying for the same opportunities. Maya's journey began with a deep dive into the world of LinkedIn marketing. The initial excitement morphed into a whirlwind of research as she discovered advanced content strategies that could pull her audience in like a magnet. She envisioned herself not just posting updates, but crafting long-form articles that shared her insights, weaving case studies that showcased her expertise, and producing videos that breathed life into her ideas. The thought of creating interactive polls and live sessions sparked a fire within her. This was how she could foster community and connection, not just numbers. However, as she started implementing these strategies, Maya faced her first conflict. The demands of consistent engagement felt overwhelming. Days turned into weeks, and with each passing moment, she felt the pressure build. Would her efforts really make a difference? Each time she clicked post, anxiety crawled up her spine, whispering doubts about the impact of her words. But Maya was not one to shy away from challenges. Taking a step back, she sought guidance from mentors and uncovered the tools that LinkedIn offered to marketers like herself. With the LinkedIn Sales Navigator, she began to find and connect with potential leads, and as she explored LinkedIn Analytics, she learned to track her engagement like a maestro conducting a symphony. The numbers became her allies, revealing insights that helped refine her approach. As Maya experimented with paid advertising, she crafted sponsored content with compelling visuals and crystal-clear messaging. The thrill of targeting decision-makers and niche audiences sent adrenaline coursing through her veins. Yet the learning curve was steep. Mastering the art of testing different formats and headlines felt like navigating a labyrinth. Each misstep fueled her determination, pushing her to adapt and evolve. She personalized connection requests, engaged thoughtfully with others' content, and joined groups where professionals like her shared knowledge. With each interaction, Maya built relationships that blossomed into collaborations. The thrill of receiving a message from a potential partner made her heart race. This was what she had been striving for. In her pursuit of lead generation, she discovered the power of offering value. By creating lead magnets such as free webinars and downloadable guides, she exchanged knowledge for contact information, gradually building a database of qualified leads. The joy of nurturing these prospects with professionalism became a rewarding ritual, transforming her anxiety into confidence. As weeks turned into months, Maya structured her content planning meticulously, developing an editorial calendar that ensured her visibility remained consistent. A newfound clarity emerged as analytics revealed the best times to post, guiding her like a lighthouse in a stormy sea. Each successful campaign strengthened her resolve, and she began to see the fruits of her labor. Her profile was no longer a mere collection of achievements. It now resonated with authenticity and depth. However, the journey did not end there. Emerging practices and trends in LinkedIn marketing beckoned her to adapt continuously. The rise of video content and AI tools introduced an exhilarating challenge. It was a dance of creativity and strategy. Maya embraced this evolution, integrating employer branding and diversity initiatives into her narrative, not just to attract talent, but to foster trust. Through this roller coaster of emotions, doubt, fear, triumph, Maya finally emerged as a leader in her field, her LinkedIn presence reflective of her journey. She had transformed from a novice into a savvy marketer, using advanced strategies to increase visibility, generate leads, and nurture lasting professional relationships. Each interaction on her page felt like a heartbeat, pulsating with authenticity and connection. In the end, Maya did not just conquer LinkedIn, she thrived, setting the stage for the next phase of her adventure in the marketing world. As she prepared for her next chapter, she knew that the lessons she learned would guide her in exploring LinkedIn marketing campaigns, understanding success case studies, avoiding common pitfalls, and strategizing for long-term growth. The road ahead was bright, and Maya was ready to embrace it with open arms.